Which simple machine is a slide at the playground an example of? A. Inclined plane. B. Pulley. C. Wheel and axle. The correct answer is inclined plane. An inclined plane makes it easier to move things up or down by spreading the work over a longer distance. What simple machine is found in the middle of a pair of scissors? A. Wedge. B. Lever. C. Screw. The correct answer is lever. The pivot point in a lever is called a fulcrum. Scissors use it to multiply the force of your hand. Which simple machine helps raise a flag up a flagpole? A. Wedge. B. Pulley. C. Inclined plane. The correct answer is pulley. A pulley changes the direction of force. You pull down on the rope to send the flag up. What invention did Johannes Gutenberg create around 1440 that helped share ideas faster? A. The telephone. B. The printing press. C. The compass. The correct answer is the printing press. Before the printing press, books had to be copied by hand. It could take a month over a year to copy one book. A doorknob is an example of which simple machine? A. Screw. B. Wheel and axle. C. Wedge. The correct answer is wheel and axle. The large round knob is the wheel, and the thin rod it turns is the axle. Together they make turning much easier. Which simple machine looks like a twisted inclined plane wrapped around a pole? A. Lever. B. Pulley. C. Screw. The correct answer is screw. Archimedes used a giant screw shape to lift water uphill over 2,000 years ago. It is still used today. Who is credited with inventing the telephone in 1876? A. Thomas Edison. B. Alexander Graham Bell. C. Nikola Tesla. The correct answer is Alexander Graham Bell. The first words ever spoken on a telephone were, "Mr. Watson, come here, I want to see you." Single quote. An axe blade is a great example of which simple machine? A. Wedge. B. Lever. C. Pulley. The correct answer is wedge. A wedge converts a pushing force into a splitting force. Even your front teeth are shaped like wedges to bite food. What did the Wright brothers invent in 1903? A. The steam engine. B. The first successful airplane. C. The hot air balloon. The correct answer is the first successful airplane. The first airplane flight lasted only 12 seconds and covered less than the length of a school bus. About 37 meters. Which simple machine would you use to split a log or hold two things together? A. Inclined plane. B. Wedge. C. Wheel and axle. The correct answer is wedge. A zipper is actually made up of many tiny wedges working together to open and close your jacket. What simple machine makes it easier to lift heavy things by using a rope and a wheel? A. Screw. B. Lever. C. Pulley. The correct answer is pulley. Cranes on construction sites use many pulleys together. The more pulleys you add, the easier it is to lift heavy loads. Thomas Edison invented a device in 1879 that lights up our homes. What was it? A. The light bulb. B. The battery. C. The solar panel. The correct answer is the light bulb. Thomas Edison tested over 1,000 different materials before finding the right one to make a long-lasting light bulb. A seesaw in the park is a classic example of which simple machine? A. Pulley. B. Lever. C. Screw. The correct answer is lever. The ancient Greek scientist Archimedes once said, "Give me a lever long enough and I could move the entire earth." Single quote.